guys, it's Kim and I am here to share with you my top 5 cleaning products. So this video is actually in collaboration with another YouTube mama named Jen, and I'll let her introduce herself.
Hi guys, my name is Jen and my channel is Jen Healy. It is a lifestyle channel. I do beauty videos, cleaning videos, cooking videos, all kind of stuff like that. So I'm super excited for this collaboration with Kim, and if you are coming over to my channel from hers, I would love it if you would subscribe if you like my content and my videos.
Jen makes awesome high quality cleaning videos, so make sure you check her videos out. I'll leave a link below to her top 5 cleaning products. She has totally different favorites than mine, so make sure you click that link after you watch my video. All right, let's jump in. So the first one is Method Daily Granite Cleaner. I absolutely love how shiny this makes my granite. I was using an all-purpose cleaner before and it just left my countertops a little bit streaky and dull. It is a little bit annoying having to use 2 different products, but it's worth it in the long run. Next are these microfiber e-cloths. So these are really high quality microfiber rags that you can use with just water, or you can use with cleaning products like an all-purpose cleaner. I absolutely love them. They pick up stuck on food so well, and even if you're just using water, they clean really, really well. I love to use them for dusting as well. You can just have a damp rag and it cleans all the dust. It grabs onto everything. Next is the Method Glass and Surface with the e-cloth for mirrors. This combination is so awesome. I used to use Windex and would give tons of streaks, but using this rag and this cleaner, I never have streaks anymore. I can actually clean the windows and the mirrors with my daughter on me and not have to worry about the chemicals. Next is the Method Toilet Bowl Cleaner, and I used to dread cleaning the toilet because I hated the smell of traditional toilet bowl cleaners, but this smells really nice and it actually clings on to the side of the toilet bowl, which I really, really appreciate. And it cleans just as well as any of the other toilet bowl cleaners I've used without the harsh smell and chemicals. And last is my Bonacare mop. I love how convenient this is. The solution is really great. I never get any streaks with it. When the mop pad is dirty, you just throw it in the washing machine, or you can even just rinse it in the sink. Okay guys, so that's it. I'd love to hear your favorite cleaning products, so leave a comment below because I'm always looking to try out new cleaning products. Just a reminder, I do have a giveaway going on right now. It's open until January 29th of 2018. I'll leave a link to the video and to the giveaway below so that you guys can make sure you can enter. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe and hit that like button. If you're coming over from Jen's channel, hi and thanks for watching.